Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Xiaomi Redmi 9 Prime. Let's see what's inside the box. The box tells you the basic specs of the phone, but most importantly, there is a logo here that says that this phone is 100% made in India. Now let's quickly remove the cover. Let's take a look at what's inside. Ah yes, this is the SIM tray ejecting pin, a very handy tool that we keep losing all the time. Very important tool, keep it safe. Inside we have a document which is the user guide for the Redmi 9 Prime. There is also a transparent cover for the device itself. This is a very good touch. This will help keep your brand new smartphone scratch-free. Now let's take a look at the hero of this video, that is the Xiaomi Redmi 9 Prime, neatly wrapped in a protective plastic wrapper. Let's also get rid of the sticker. The phone is made of plastic, but the design is quite subtle and it's quite nice to look at with that sleek matte black finish. The Redmi logo is quite prominent at the back as well. Let's switch the phone on and keep it to one side and go back to the box. There is another cardboard lid under which we have a Type-C charging cable and a charger for the phone. And that's all you will find inside the Xiaomi Redmi 9 Prime box. Thanks for watching.